All right, so our last one is hotspots. It's not really a plate boundary, but I'm going to talk about it because it forms a very similar geologic formation. We're going to form islands here and volcanoes. So scientists don't exactly agree on what's happening, but we think that from the outer core of the Earth, it's heating up the mantle and creating this area of just concentrated, I'm going to move it over a little bit, just really concentrated heat and forming magma that's going to really focus on one point on the plate. So this is a oceanic plate in the Pacific Ocean. We're talking about the Hawaiian Islands here, and this is where I'm from. And so what happens is that magma is going to come up through the lithosphere there, and it's going to start cooling and crystallizing, and it forms an island eventually once it comes out of the water. Okay, so magma is going to keep on seeping out. And so I'm going to demonstrate this by putting up the islands here. So Kauai is the oldest island. Okay, so it was formed by this hotspot. All right, so there's Kauai. But the thing that's happening here is that the plate is moving. All right, so as it moves, it's going to carry this island with it. So Kauai moves, and then we have the next island that builds, which is Oahu. All right, so now Oahu is over the hotspot. And then the plate keeps moving, all right? The hotspot is staying in the same place. So these islands are going to move, and they become dormant volcanoes. And we're just going to keep on building islands just like that, all right? So they're all going to move over as the plate moves, and of course this happens over a very, very long period of time. We have Maui here and Lanai, and those are now dormant as well, because now the newest island is over the hotspot, and that island is the Big Island. That's where I'm from. And we have Mauna Loa and Kilauea that are erupting over this hotspot currently. Okay, so as you can see here, the hotspot is staying in the same place. The islands are moving along with this plate. And this is different from other islands like the Aleutian Islands, because the Aleutian Islands are created from an oceanic boundary, which forms an island arc. Okay, so we have, these don't line up nicely, do they? The islands are actually forming kind of like an arc, like this. And this happens because of the curvature of the Earth, because the Earth is round again, okay? So we have an arc of islands. The Aleutian Islands are a type of convergent boundary. The Hawaiian Islands are as a result of hotspots. Okay, so I hope that gives you a good idea of plate boundaries and hotspots, and I'll see you next time.